You can win an argument and lose a person. Today, how to disagree without making an enemy. First, the mindset shift that changes everything. In most disagreements, nobody is actually fighting about the topic. They are fighting about respect. The words say pineapple does not belong on pizza. The feeling says, am I being taken seriously? Which means you can disagree hard on the idea, as long as the person feels respected. Lose that, and even winning becomes losing. So here are 4 moves, in order. Move 1. Find the true thing first. Before you attack, agree with something real. Not fake, real. You're right that the current plan is slow. Now you are not an opponent. You are a fellow inspector of reality who happens to see a different crack. Move 2. Ask before you argue. One good question, what makes you see it that way? Does 2 jobs. Sometimes their answer reveals your own blind spot, which is embarrassing but useful. And it proves you are listening, which lowers everyone's shields, including yours. Move 3. Use I instead of you. You're wrong is a slap. I see it differently is an invitation. You always exaggerate starts a war. I remember it differently starts a conversation. Same disagreement. One attacks the person, the other examines the idea. Attack ideas, never their owner. Move 4. Keep the golden phrase loaded. You might be right. It costs you nothing. Might, you said might. And it instantly deflates the fight. It is nearly impossible to keep yelling at someone who just said you might be right. And when nothing works, let's leave it there, beats a scorched earth victory every time. You will meet this person again. The relationship outlives the topic. Disagree like this, and something funny happens. People trust you more after arguing with you. You might be right about not needing to subscribe. But just in case, see you in the next scribble.